Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mama, take me home. Country roads.
Everyone was white.
Street lights along the highway, throwing shadows in the dark, and the memories keep on turning to the rhythm of a broken heart.
Riding like a backup, driving with my eyes closed. I know every curve like the back of my hand. Through 15 and 30, I ain't in no hurry. I'ma take it slow, just as fast as I can. But I love you more than a California sunset, more than a beer when you ain't 21 yet, more than a Sunday morning Lord turn it some poor lost soul found. Hallelujah bound. Yeah, I love you more than a feeling when the bass hits the hook, when the guy gets the girl at the end of the book. But baby, this might be the last time I get to lay you down, 'cause I can't love you more than my hometown. Got some famous friends you probably never heard of. Back in Rutherford County, our crowd is second to none. You might not know I'm here in this big city we're in. When I go back home, I got some famous friends.
When the sun goes down on my side of town, that lonesome feeling comes to my door, and the whole world turns blue.
Country roads.
There's a rundown bar across the railroad track. I got a table for two way in the back where I sit alone, thinking losing you.
Country roads. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads.
Yeah, I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires.
I've been this good and wait to turn 21. Think I did, I got too drunk, spinning around dizzy on the patio. Found out real quick, gotta take it slow. Got whiskey been on whiskey sign, ran my mouth to an out of towner. Learned a big lesson when I met the mountain. I found myself in this song. I won't let you fall. What if I cry? I'll never make you cry. If I get scared, I'll hold you tighter. When they try to get to you, baby, I'll be the fighter. What if I fall?
Something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way, it was our last night. I kissed your lips, make you grip the sheets with your fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fifth. Just talking about life, going sip for sip. Yeah, you know you love to fight, and I say shit I don't mean, but I'm still gonna wake up on you and me. I know that last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met, but baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way, it was our last night. We let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met, but baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way, it was our last night. We break up. No way, it was our last night. Baby, no way, it was the last night. We break up. No way, it was our last night. Baby, no way, it was the last night. We break up.
When the devil's knocking at my door, when I'm broken and I'm battle worn, down in the valley on my knees, yeah, she's with me.
Beautiful, crazy, she can't help but amaze me. The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take chances, and wears her heart on her sleeve. Yeah, she's crazy, but her crazy is beautiful to me. Crazy is beautiful to me.
Since you turned the tables on me, I've been steady learning on, keeping this turntable spinning. Everything from Jones to Jennings, slowly planning my survival in a 3-foot stack of vinyl. Since you had to walk out of here, I've been having a record year.
I'm just a traveler on this earth, sure had my heart behind the pocket of my shirt. I couldn't tell you, honey, I don't know where I'm going, but I've got to go.
I want bourbon, I want scotch, I want beer. I'm having a record year. I'm having a record year. I'm having a record year. I'm having a record year.
Do you love me? Do you want to be my friend? If you do, well then don't be afraid to take me by the hand. Jack, yes or no? Do you love me? Do you want to be my friend? If you do, well then don't be afraid to take me by the hand. Jack, yes or no?
Strawberry shimmer on hot lips, silver buckle hanging off her hips. I sparkle when she smiles, shine down the radio dial. Homemade jar of lemon drop, take a sip. Don't stop, girl, you know I love it when you get your shine on. You and me be rocking all night long. Summer sky dripping rhinestones, turn your party lights on. Baby, get your shine on, shine on. Baby, get your shine on. I can hear 'em playing, I can hear the ringing of a beatable guitar. Oh, I can hear 'em singing, keep on dreaming even if it breaks you heart.
white, and blue little town. Get a one-star hand-me-down Ford to try to fix up. With some part-time cash and driving a tractor, found a sweet little thing. Where's your ball cap backwards? Kind of place you can't wait to leave, but nobody does. Cause you're chasing you like a shot of whiskey, burning, going down, burning, going down. Chasing you like those goodbye tail lights, headed west to anywhere out of this nowhere town. Chasing that freedom, chasing that feeling that got gone too soon. Chasing that you and me, I only see in my review. Yeah, I'm laying here tonight, holding someone new. Still chasing you, still chasing you. I'd be fine watching you, watch the sun go down, with your head on my chest and a blanket on the ground. Yeah. Everybody wants to chase the rainbow and find a pot of gold, hoping there's a suitcase full of money. Yeah, all I want is you, honey.
I love hearing that shower turn on, but there's nothing but a towel on you. You sing along with some Timberlake bumping, but he ain't got nothing on you. I don't wanna hear the coffee pouring, a goodbye kiss, didn't locking the door, yeah, sounds like leaving you. Oh.
But I wonder when you're drinking if you find yourself thinking about that boy from East Tennessee. Yeah, I know we both knew better, but we still said forever now. Well, 7 summers of cold and southern comfort, and we done were just younger and old. Back then you used to love the river, sipping on a sixer and me. Does it ever make you sad? That was 7 summers ago. That was 7 summers ago. That was 7 summers ago.
What? Sipping on this 7-7, never been this close to heaven. Got a drink turned up to 11, dropping on dead on the dance floor. Somebody better call a doctor, she's a little hard stopper. I'm talking breaker, one-nighter, she's a flatliner. Can't sleep, ain't no sleep coming. I'm just lying here thinking about you. I'm in deep, falling deep into the picture in my mind of everything we're gonna do. Over at the lake and down by the river, you can feel it start to rise. I wanna jump in my car, go wherever you are, 'cause I need you by my side.
Well, the sky is finally open, the rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella, darling, I'm just trying to tell you that there's always been a rainbow hanging over.
Jack and Diane ever made it? After the drums and the guitars all faded, was the best they could do good enough? Or did the heartland just swallow them up? How did my mom and my dad ever do it? If there were struggles and we never knew it, I guess they had each other. That was enough.
You find on me, I have you hopping up in my passenger seat. Gonna take you home and you ain't gonna wanna leave. Make a little love at 3:15. Gotta keep it down cause your roommate's home. Honey, when the sun comes peeking through the trees, you ain't gotta worry about what it might be, cause I bet it won't be the last time you're waking up next to me. If I know me.
Good to hear from you again. Girl, what a coincidence. I was just thinking about that weekend out on Cumberland Lake, and that one time at Baton Rouge when we made out in the rain, where we went chasing falling stars on a hill at your daddy's farm. Don't be sorry for calling me up right out of the blue. I was just thinking about you. I was just thinking about you. I got your fix. I'll be down and never let you down. I got your fix. The one you hate when no one is around. I got your fix. I'll pick you up and never let you go. I got your never let you go. Hey, hey.
I'm driving home tonight, catching all red lights. That's alright, cause I don't wanna be alone. There's nobody waiting there, cold and empty bed. Words I wished I'd said, come on the radio.
I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride on you lady, all night, all night. I'ma take care of your body, I'll be gentle, don't you scream. It's getting harder, make it softer, feel your chest on top of me. Why should we go round and round the truth like we've been doing? Every time we lie, girl, we're losing. So why should we spend Saturday night alone when I can call you on the phone, pick you up, make it up as we go along, pulling all nighter, chasing that desire, sparks flying in her eyes like a lighter, like a lighter. Get a little higher, get a little higher, sipping on fire, sipping on fire.
No sir, I ain't been drinking, I ain't even had one beer. This sweet thing's got me buzzing from whispering in my ear. Just take a peek up in here at this little hot mess, mister, you'll understand.
I've got a mid-flight magazine and a mixed drink. I wish time would fly right with me down the days that baggage claims in another taxi town.
I'm doing my best and I know I'm all over the road. I can't help but go, little bit of left, little bit of right. It's hard to drive with her hand over here on my knee, and she's all over me. I'm all out of control.